Hello kids, today we are going to draw a peacock with our marker and a pencil color. First, we will be using a marker, a basic lines, and then we are going to use our pencil colors inside. We will be using a basic shapes as well as a same basic lines. Take your marker. If it is dark one, it's very good. Do not use light one. One curve, one slanting line, again one slanting line which is coming down, one curve which is going down, again same curve where we stopped it, make a curve and come inside, again one curve, one slanting line, again one slanting line, it should be narrow, one curve, one slanting line, one slanting line, again one curve which is going towards tail, one slanting line, again one slanting line and few zigzag lines touching towards the end point, again small tiny zigzag, again slanting line opposite to first one, that is a legs, one curve, two curve, three curve, one curve, two curve, three curve. These are the legs, one slanting line, one slipping line, one slanting line, one curve, another curve just like a leaf, one curve, one circle, duck inside, one slanting line, another slanting line, another slanting line, another slanting line, one circle, one circle, one circle, one circle, one slanting line and one circle, one slanting line and one circle joining towards a same slanting line, again one slanting line, one oval shape, one slanting line, one more oval shape, one slanting line touching towards end, another slanting line touching towards end, and few zigzag line for making grass. I am showing this as a ground. Its tail is touching towards ground. One curve, two curve, one curve, two curve, one curve, two curve, one curve, two curve, and again few curves in feathers. Now it's time for color. Now we are going to take it pencil colors. We will take it first dark tone to light tone. First I will be taking purple color and then sky blue color. Now purple color at the edges, some dark edges, put it up to chest level, neck to chest, fill it. First take it darkly and then very light, so another light color can come inside and it can blend easily. Now do it light tone. First you need to take it dark and then slowly turn it into light. Same thing here on the head. First dark and then light portions come inside. Now I'm taking sky blue color, fill inside sky blue color, dribble it in the same position, do not change the position. Fill upside, go according to your shapes. Your two-tone has been mixed up. Now same purple color on the top. First you have to do dark and then turn it into lightly. Same thing on lower wings. First you have to do dark and then light. Now take a sky blue color, blend it lightly towards inside. Same thing at lower level too. Now your body part, your wing part has been ready. Now I'm going to lower part. This is a front leg. So I will be continuing this a dark line. And I am doing light one, so I can do it sky blue color and I can blend it easily. My sky blue color has been merged inside. Now again purple, somewhat dark to light, dark to light, and now sky blue color, rest of small part. So my body part is ready, and now we are going to feathers. Now I am taking Persian blue color. First, at the first oval shape, we are covering this dark blue, all the first curve. These are the feathers of the peacock. So first you need to make it Persian blue color, dark tone, no shades inside. Then I am going to take it orange. At the outer part, same thing all four. Now I am going to yellow. Rest of part I am doing yellow color. So my oval shape has been finished. Now I'm going to take it light green color. Firstly, I will fill it light green color in feathers. Very lightly I will be using in feathers in a slanting mode. Just I am filling a color, simple toning, no dark, no light. My feathers at the light mode, it is finished. Now I'm going to take it dark for showing a detailing of the feathers by giving a strokes. This are called strokes. Slanting, slanting, slanting. It goes slanting, slanting, slanting. Go slanting. When it goes turn, get it turn please. Turn and again straight. Same thing here. Slanting, go slanting, give your stroke slanting. Now now turn, little bit turn and few strokes. Okay, so yeah, one feather is ready. Same thing, you have to get it to another one. Again slanting. If you got a space, you can make it long. Okay, now one portion, same thing by taking slanting, slanting, slanting. When curve comes, you have to make it few curves and then straight strokes. At the end, just give few strokes. So your feather can be finished even also in corner. Few strokes inside. Same thing, if this strokes has been overlapped, there is no problem. You can overlap. Same thing, slanting downside. Spread it by making curve. And lastly, straight strokes. Stroke is important in this. If you can make it strokes equally, then you can show your feathers very fine. Now my last feather is going to finish. My feather has been finished. Now I am going to grass. Same dark green color I am going to take it. Few grass. Grass are on a zigzag mode. It is not on a same position, so I am making in a different positions. My light green and few slipping strokes inside, and I want to blend it in yellow color so I can see that grass as a fresh grass and newly grass. When monsoon comes, you can see a newly grown grass which is found in light green color. I blend up with yellow color, and even also you can show some grassy effect by your dark green color. You can show your effect by dark green color. Few tiny grass. Now going towards sky backdrop, you can use it your pencil, dribble it for few time. Your sky is ready. Now take a Persian blue and you can make it few curves for showing a cloud. Your peacock is ready. Thank you kids, and have a fun and have a new trials with your pencil colors.